Okay guys, so I'm gonna try something unique and famous here in Nepal. They call it Juju Dhau. It's gonna be my first time ever. They said it's made from the curd. I don't know much more contain inside, but let me test. Then I will tell you. This how it looking like ice cream. Yeah. First bite.
Wow!
Local made?
Yeah, local.
Local only, right? So thick and so nice. It's not that much sweet, and I just feel like I'm tasting. This is yogurt only.
Yeah, yogurt.
Yogurt, right? This is yogurt. I love it, guys. It's so nice.